In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Alibaba to Wix to import products seamlessly. This process allows you to expand your product range by utilizing Alibaba's vast catalog while managing your e-commerce site efficiently through Wix. First, let's head over to Alibaba's website. Alibaba is renowned as the world's largest online B2B marketplace, bustling with manufacturers, suppliers, exporters, and importers. As you get to the homepage, you'll find a myriad of options designed to help you source products easily. The first step here is to click on your profile, which is crucial for accessing all the functionalities and personal preferences your account offers. Once you're in your profile, direct your attention to the My Alibaba section. This serves as your primary dashboard for managing your orders, inquiries, and more, offering a centralized space to oversee all your business interactions on Alibaba. Next, you'll want to find and click on the dropshipping option. Dropshipping unlocks the potential of expanding your product offerings without the hassles of stock management and upfront inventory costs. Now that you're in the dropshipping area, select the Find Products button. This feature is pivotal in discovering an endless array of items curated for dropshipping, with various categories to suit different business niches. As you browse through, take your time to sift through these categories or use the search bar to locate products that align perfectly with your business goals and customer needs. With a potential product in mind, click on it. This action will bring you to a detailed page filled with insights about the product, including specifications, pricing, and other relevant data to help you make an informed decision. Here, you'll find an option labeled Start Dropshipping. Clicking this button sets the stage for the next phase of integrating this product into your online store. Following this, the last pivotal step is to import the product to Wix. Once you've clicked the necessary buttons on Alibaba, the integration with Wix should facilitate an almost automatic import process. Ensure that all product details, including images, descriptions, and prices, are correctly transcribed onto your Wix store. It's advisable to double-check all this information to ensure accuracy and appeal, and make any necessary adjustments to better fit your brand's identity and pricing strategy. Throughout this process, remember that taking the time to carefully select the right products and present them effectively on your Wix store is key to successfully engaging your customers and boosting your sales. By leveraging Alibaba's extensive network and seamlessly integrating it with Wix, you're setting up a robust platform to enhance your e-commerce strategy. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide on connecting Alibaba to Wix helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next video where we'll share more tips on optimizing your online business.